Meaning of genetics.
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 Genetics. Genetics is the study of genes, heredity, and variation in living organisms. It involves the analysis of DNA and how it determines individual traits, as well as how traits are inherited through generations. By studying genetics, scientists can understand how genetic disorders are caused and passed down, and also identify ways to treat or prevent them. Advances in genetics have led to technologies like genetic testing, which can identify genetic predispositions to diseases. Overall, genetics plays a fundamental role in shaping who we are, and understanding it can lead to significant medical advancements.